Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set full profile photo on WhatsApp. So let's get into it. Install the MediaCrap app on your Android. MediaCrap is one of the most popular apps for making 1:1 aspect ratio WhatsApp display pictures, formerly WhatsCrap. The app lets you put your profile photo in a square or circle, as well as more than 30 other shapes of the same size on all sides. Launch the application. Press the photo icon in the app's main interface lower left corner. Tap Select Photo and choose the photo from your gallery you want to use as your complete profile picture on WhatsApp, or tap Take Photo and use your phone's camera to take a portrait. Your image will be automatically centered within the circle. If you want to put it in a frame, square, or another shape, tap Adjust in the toolbar at the bottom and choose the appropriate option from the menu. If you want to enhance your profile picture, tap Edit and add effects like whiteboards, shadows, and filters. Finally, tap Save and choose Save Photo to save your profile picture to your gallery or add it to your WhatsApp profile. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.